So, how do we make our namaz more focused, more deeper, more connected? Is if our minds are not entangled with the thoughts that run in our mind non-stop. So, psychology says that एक मिनट में हमारे माइंड में there are 60 to 100 thoughts that run without our awareness. वो 60 to 100 thoughts पे हमारा focus नहीं जाता, but they are running on the background. So because of those 60 to 100 thoughts continuously running on the background, हम जब रकात बनते हैं हमारी नमाज के लिए, when we start our prayer, our mind will be somewhere else. Though our mouth will be reciting each and every dua, but हमारा mind कहीं और है. तो something as important as namaz, as powerful as namaz, cannot be attended or offered in a way that our minds are somewhere else while we are doing this powerful ritual that Allah has dawned upon mankind, not only Muslims. Allah has adorned this ritual upon mankind to live a life that is successful and a life hereafter to be successful. So how do we a very powerful hack that I use and I have used with my clients for years is this, that if you control your thought and breath before you start the namaz, then you will be capable of having a deeper focus. So there is a tool in a backbone tool in transcendental meditations that I am trained in. So this tool is called a fourfold breath, which I normally ask people to use this tool when they're anxious, when they have in their daily schedules, if there's anxiety, I ask them to use this to curb that anxiety in the moment. But when we use this tool to start our namaz, before we start reciting anything, if we use this, then we will have a sharper focus in our namaz. So this is how it goes. I'll give you a very brief understanding of how this tool is. It's very simple. It's a pocket tool. You can always have it with you wherever you go. So आप नमाज पढ़ने से शुरू करने से पहले, आप जब जाके जानमाज पे खड़े होते हो, स्टैंडिंग ऑन दैट प्रेयर मैट, एंड आप रकात बनने से पहले आप फर्स्ट थिंग दैट यू डू इज बिल्ड a strong intent. Tell yourself कि आज जब मैं नमाज ऑफर कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ, when I'm offering this namaz today, I will make sure that my mind is focused on every verse that I am reciting or I'm hearing while offering dua. If my mind gets diverted, अगर मेरा दिमाग कहीं और जाता है, कोई और thoughts आ रहे, it's okay, but I will bring my mind back to the prayer. Don't beat yourself up अगर आपका दिमाग यहाँ वहाँ जा रहा, it's fine. For the start it will happen, but make sure you bring the mind back to the powerful Quranic verses that we recite and hear during the namaz. So what is the fourfold breath and how do we do this before we start? तो आप नमाज पढ़ने के लिए जब आप नमाज पर खड़े होते हैं, just before you start, as I said, एक इंटेंट बनाना है, एक नियत करना है पहले कि हम हमारी ये नमाज फुली फोकस रखने वाले हैं. Second, you close your eyes for just एक 15-20 seconds and you do the fourfold breath. Why is the fourfold breath important? I'll tell you before we start to know how to do it. It is important because there is a very deep connection. Psychology understands this कि एक mind और breath, हमारा दिमाग और हमारी सांस, ये दोनों चीज़ें बहुत deeply connected है. अगर हम हमारा माइंड को कंट्रोल करें तो हमारी ब्रीदिंग को हम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. अगर हम हमारी ब्रीदिंग को कंट्रोल करें तो वी कैन कंट्रोल आवर माइंड. तो this is a very powerful science and with this science is the fourfold breath. तो अब एक small test करते हैं हम लोग फिलहाल before we learn how to apply fourfold breath in our namaz. Close your eyes, take a deep breath and think about something very beautiful that happened with you. Something which really made you feel excited, made you feel good, made you feel happy and grateful. Think about something like that. Anything that happened yesterday or in the past. As you are thinking that, put your focus on your breathing pattern as well. आप ये realize करते हैं कि जब आप कुछ अच्छा सोच रहे, खूबसूरत सोच रहे, something beautiful and something grateful that you are, when you're thinking about that, your breathing becomes very slow, deep, comfortable, and when you do that, when your breathing becomes slow and deep, automatically those thoughts will reduce. So just as you understood, Kehana, when you are thinking about something beautiful and nice, your breathing becomes slow. Now take a deep breath and think about something horrifying, something very scary, something जो बहुत डरावनी है, समथिंग जो आपको बहुत डरा दिया, थिंक अबाउट दैट मोमेंट. And as you're thinking about something dangerous and horrific, put your focus on your breath. You will realize कि आपका breathing pattern एकदम से short and shallow, एकदम से short हो गया, uncomfortable हो गया. So this is exactly how your breathing and thoughts are connected. So this is what the fourfold breath does. It brings your breathing and thought into a stabilized mode. एक stability build करता है आपके breathing और आपके thoughts में. So जब आप नमाज शुरू करते हैं, you will have a sharper focus on each and every verse that you're reciting, each and every verse that you're hearing while offering namaz. So the fourfold breath goes something like this. The fourfold breath is when आप नमाज पढ़ने खड़े हो गए, नियत कर लिए, नियत करने के बाद आंख बंद करके take a deep breath on a count of 4. You inhale on a count of 4 and hold your breath on a count of 4. Then you exhale that breath on a count of 4. Then you hold that exhaled breath on a count of 4 again. It looks something like this. हम खड़े हैं हमारी नमाज पे. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 you hold. 1 2 3 4 you exhale. Then 1 2 3 4 you hold. And you repeat this process for at least 5 times before you start your namaz with your eyes closed. And then you open your eyes and then say Allahu Akbar and start with your prayer. आप देखेंगे इसके अंदर when you do this like 5-6 times and do it like do the count 1 2 3 4 like 4 seconds you inhale in, 4 seconds you hold your breath, then 4 seconds you exhale, then 4 seconds you hold your exhaled breath. Follow this process before you start your namaz from today itself, and you will see a drastic change. बड़ा difference आएगा. आप focus कर पाओगे. आपकी नमाज में थोड़ा deeper connection रहेगा. There's way more far ahead of this learning as well to make our namaz more deeper. But this is just a scratch that I wanted to share with people. आप लोग को खाली ये एक one tool से you can make your namaz more powerful.